Here to swap out the wheels of Tesla.
Sure, absolutely.
Model X.
I'll get right on it. Okay, sounds good. Just take a seat. We'll get right to you.
All right, thanks.
What's up, man?
Guess what just came in?
Your mom?
No! You
I'm not the only one that thinks this mom's hot.
a Tesla Model X.
I don't need a flashy car to make me feel important.
Get this f***ing thing done now. We're going for a joyride.
Frickin' Steve.
Took you f***ing long enough.
He's been bugging me for 2 years to get a Tesla. He's a terrible driver, a horrible driver. He gets tons of tickets, lots of accidents. I'll never let him get a nice car. It's never gonna happen.
Oh yeah, we got ourselves a red light opportunity, buddy. Just go ahead and I think this is how you do it. There should be something that pops up. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and hit that. Oh yes, this is going to be wonderfully fabulous. We are in insane ludicrous mode here. It's alright. Some G-force in that, buddy.
Whiplash.
Yeah, this thing's a lot of fun.
Hi, can I get a biscuit and a medium ice water?
How many biscuits?
Just 2.
2 biscuits and a medium water?
Yep.
Anything else?
That is all.
So we decided to bring the Tesla through a bunch of drive-thrus today and just test out the functionality of this here autopilot feature. So you just hold forward and as you can see the vehicle moves on its own, so we're going to follow it here. Then with a simple connection to the car's Bluetooth, I am able to conveniently speak to the person at the window, meanwhile driving the vehicle through the drive-thru. And it's been some good times.
Good day, sir. Just here to pick up an order for Uber Eats.
Where did he go?
What's that?
Sir.
Yo, this is crazy. Guys.
If you just throw it right in there, sir,
I'll bring
it home. What about the water?
Now
that is a predicament. That is a predicament, sir.
How
do you suggest we resolve that predicament?
Do you really want the water?
I mean,
I'm pretty thirsty.
I'm
I'm a thirsty guy.
I'm
just a very small.
You can't see me.
I'm a
little
speck. Hello, how are you today? We had a lot of fun today. Pretty much every person that the empty Tesla came across was both surprised and confused. Some did everything they could to help us out.
So you
think you can get that drink in here, or should I just pull away? We convinced some to get out of the restaurant and load items up into the Tesla.
Yes,
Can you toss the mag in the seat for me? We angered some people.
I'm here
to pick up an order on autopilot. And some were not so kind.
Hello?
Yes,
I'm here with Auto.
I'm here with
Can you move forward?
What's that?
What's that? I'll pull forward a little bit.
Please. All the way out.
Is that
Is that okay, sir? I just want to get my food.
Okay. Can you please move forward all the way from the drive-thru?
Yes,
Yes, can you toss the mag in the seat for me?
Overall, it was a great day.
There's nobody in here.
Hey, how much longer is this gonna take?
It won't be very much longer, sir. Just have a seat and we'll get to you as soon as we can.
All right, just check on them or something.
Okay, I will.
And I'm glad that I decided to get us back. It is snowing hard right now.
That is very responsible of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hello?
Hey, Steve, you need to get here now. This customer is not happy.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to deliver this to the customer, okay?
Okay. Steve, Here you are, sir.
Took you guys long enough. Gosh, thanks.
You know, the thing I'm most passionate about is serving our loyal customers. I mean, these are the people that put food on my table. It makes me feel good each day as I leave the office that we've done a good job and made the customer feel as valued as possible. No customer leaves SD Wheel angry.